Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel Learn Now from your learning partner. In this video, we'll be learning how to filter data in an Excel file using Pandas. Filtering the data is an essential part of data analysis, and Pandas provides us with powerful tools to perform this task. We will create a filter to sort the column of ages that need to be greater than or equal to 18. To access our Excel file, simply double-click on it, and it will automatically open with Microsoft Office. As you can observe, the file is already open and displays data for all age groups. So, let's start with Python. First, let's start by importing the necessary libraries. We'll need Pandas and NumPy. Import Pandas as PD, import NumPy as NP. Next, we'll read in our Excel file using the readExcel function in Pandas. We'll need to specify the file path and sheet name. We read the data from CSV file data, bar pd dot read ESV, path to data file.csv. Filter the data by age group greater than or equal to 18 filtered data, or data age, and 18. Save the filtered data to a CSV file filtered data.tocsv. Path to save filtered data.csv. Index false. Print filtered data. In this code, we first read the data from a CSV file using the pd.readECSV method. Then we filter the data by age group using Boolean indexing. The condition data age and 18s returns a Pandas series of Boolean values, which is then used to filter the data. Finally, we save the filtered data to a CSV file using the tocsv method. The index false parameter is used to exclude the index column from the output CSV file. This code creates a new data frame called filtered data that only contains rows where the age column is greater than or equal to 18. To verify the results, navigate to the file path where the CSV file was saved and open it by double-clicking on it, and it will open with Microsoft Office. Upon inspection, the filtered data will be clearly visible as it only displays values greater than or equal to 18. By using just a few lines of code, you can easily manipulate and analyze data in an Excel file with Pandas. In our next tutorial, we'll be taking it up a notch and exploring how to filter data frames with more than one condition. Stay tuned.